There's a lot of 8 stars. There's a few 10 stars, a couple 11 stars. I think 112 star. So we get around with that deck. We've got Divine Serpent. Yeah, these 4 right here. These are situational picks. I'm not going to get into them too much. We have 9 kaiju cards. You can look up the kaiju engine. It's very useful. It helps us tribute the opponent's monsters and get beat sticks on our side of the field. We have the danger monsters, which are also high-level monsters that can be special summoned by their own effect from the hand or used for spot removal if that goes wrong. The Calculator, this is another card over here that I was talking about. So this card gains attack power equal to the number of levels on your side of the field times 3. Gores, Gores, hand trap, you can summon him off of taking damage. Not terrible, but he's a 7 star, so you can't use him with trading. Barbaros, you can summon him as a 1900 attack point monster without tributing, so works with the Calculator again to provide easy support. Also works with Montage Dragon. Montage Dragon is really the other beat stick in this deck besides the Calculator. Gains 300 per level used to tribute for it, and it's a special summon type of tribute where you discard 3 monsters from your hand, and their aggregate level times 300 becomes Montage Dragon's attack points. So he can get very high up there, like to that 9,000, 10,000 range. It's very surprising to see. But yeah, that's all we really have. We also have some Metal Reflex Slime, some 10 stars that we can summon in to surprise people, and we have these 2 cards, which we can summon in off of cards being destroyed on our side of the field. We're going to hit him with the Scissors Rock Switch Up. Works every time. We go second for the OTK opportunity. Though, it doesn't look like our hand's going to help us with that. What does he have? Oh, he's playing the Sous Ship deck. Dude, what is that description, man? Jesus Christ. Alright. Rose Sous Ship and Rice Sous Ship. And now he's got what? Gunkin Sous Ship. Dreadnought. Epic, dude. Alright, we get to make our move now. Gonna start with Kaiju Slumber, make him want to AFK, get rid of your Sous Ship. Stupid, dumb, get him out of here. Thanks for playing. You got 2 cards left in your hand. Thanks for playing. Goodbye. Don't worry, I'll give you a new one, dude. Exact same amount of attack points, but he does nothing else for you. I'm a kind overlord. Check this. Look at that. A new whip for you. Back to the front, man. Who? Dude, he has no materials, man. It's lost 300. Oh my goodness gracious. Set this. Let's try for Bigfoot. Yes, we got Bigfoot summoned in. Can't activate any of those. So we just head straight to the battle phase. Womp this. Bonk. Bonk. Good start. Very good start. I don't know where that 300 came from. Maybe it was this. I don't know. Don't need to activate Metal Reflex Slime for a bit. Well, not till the end phase of his turn, really, because I want to make a God Slime off of it. So we're going to play it slow, keep saying no to these chains. These guys, once they're on the field, these guys do absolutely nothing. They're literally just there for their attack points. But this guy can do things if you've got the Kaiju Field spell. I just don't run that. They're more of a tool to gain field position rather than the means to control the field. Though I will say, this card is really oppressive with its effect. The field spell gets kaiju counters really fast, so you can just keep removing kaiju counters like two. You can basically use this effect like twice per turn if you're properly set up. And it makes it really hard for the other guy to do a lot. Alright, what is this gonna do, dude? This thing is not strong. This thing is not strong, bro. This thing is not it. Even if you have Raigeki in your hand, you can't kill the face down card I've got. Unless this does something. No. Okay, he's trash. Now we activate this. Playing the Sue ships and making them look bad, dude. I'm sure they're not that bad. Alright, check this now. He doesn't see this coming. At all. Bam, 9,300. We just had 30 stars there. And then we also summon in the God Slime here. And now we just go straight to battle phase. Attack. Attack. Booming. See ya, bro. Saijian, as the Lokes say. Going again. Brandon sucks. We got Brandon sucks out here against the high level deck, the big boys. Tell me he's got something to bring to the table. Something of any value. You notice the scissors rock switch up. Back to scissors. Yep. Paper. The secret handshake. Oh, I lost. No. Dude, what is that? Tell me what that is. Please. What is that? 1, 2, 3. Throw up the montage dragon. I'm going for my one shot, bitch. Please discard Thunderbird. Oh my god. What is that? Skull dice? Yikes, man. Yikes, man. 7,800. Oh no! Brandon sucks! It's true! What a geed. Damn, that feels good. Now we just... I'm gonna pull that momentum right here into this next game, bro. That's great. Brandon does suck. Facts. Damn. Played against this deck before, not this guy, this deck. Yeah, this card is pretty cracked. Just helps you grab insects from your deck and keeps them invincible. Can't target it with card effects and can't be destroyed by opponent's card effects. Dude, please stop. It's getting a little overwhelming. Those face down cards are a little worrying, but it didn't seem too important to him. More of an afterthought. So I'm going to go for this. Bitch. Mad? Are you mad? Are you upset? Oh wait, he's summoning him back. Well. Oh, he summoned this idiot back. Oh, this would be level 4 or lower. I see. Alright, let me go, man. Let's go. Working them. No shot, it happened again. Oh my god. Alright, we're doing this now. We're destroying this face down. Alright, see ya. See ya, dude. Game's over. You just built up that entire field. It's all gone. In one turn. He has hand advantage on me. That's it, though. Cancel. I don't know what to bring back.
I don't think I can bring back, yeah. I can bring back the calculator, that'd be hype. Nice. What's up, dog? You seem a little shook. Is this guy just like gonna go forever, maybe? I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. What is that? Yikes. You have one card to protect you, bro. Also, I think he can bring back somebody. He can't attack this turn. I want to get one more good game in. Let me get one more good game in, please. Zombies, PDW. I hope you have zombies, buddy. Let's see what we got. My turn first. Wow. What a gentleman. This is like a fake going first. Kind of going first, but like not really showing anything. If he has strong field presence off the first turn, then he can fuck me just by this spot removal or whatever. Super Heavy Samurais. Wow. This card is actually less vulnerable as a face down. As a monster, it can be removed by monster removal effects and spell and trap effects. So I'm just gonna leave it here as long as I can until they start attacking me. Although, if they have cards that can negate a summon, then it's better to summon them in beforehand. Alright, now we're going to summon in a pretty large Montage Dragon. Fairly big. 7,800, you know. Summon in a Calculator as well next to him. And we'll make our Metal Reflex Climb capable, for lack of a better way to put it. Oh, he surrendered. Very cool. There you have it.